Hi, I'm Cameron from the Ontario Ghostbusters, and I'm getting MeCreo3D to make an action figure statue out of me. Here's how it's done.
So just to explain the process, we're MeCreo3D and we do 3D printed figurines of people. So customer will come in, stand on the dot here. We snap the photo, 60 digital SLR cameras, Canon T3Is, take 60 images of the people. We send it to the software, it stitches it together, and then that digital file is sent to a 3D powder bed printer, and out comes your figurine. And that's it.